The core is here. It's not just one single muscle. It's a group of muscles. So you need to strengthen this part of your body because this is the center of your dance, of your body. You move from here. If you move from chest forward or abdomen forward, you will be walking in a lopsided way. So imagine someone's pulling you from here. So when you move like a body that's ready to move. Okay? In order to get accuracy in that, this area has to be strengthened. How do you target this? There are many exercises that are recommended by experts, and you can go ahead, do your research, find the set of exercises that suit you. Then set a pace that is more suitable for you. To strengthen this alone is not going to give you your central axis. Central axis comes from the spine. Now here the muscles at the back need to hold the back strong and steady so that there is a balance and alignment of the rest of the body above and below. Glutes have to be nurtured, have to be strengthened too, so that the energy level from the base is strong enough. Core is who you are as a dancer. The core muscle cannot be weak. This will help you retain the quality of your dance, the accuracy of your movements, the alignment of what you're trying to show. This is only possible if you not just build it, but also maintain your core. You yourself will have to do the research to see and analyze what suits you best.